Hello, my lovely seniors. Welcome to Senior Over 60 Fitness. We've started a special 100-day exercise series for seniors, and today is day 13. If you're new here, join us today and exercise along safely with me. Exercise 1. Chair, sit to stand. Sit tall on your chair, feet flat on the floor, hands resting lightly on your thighs. Today is day 13, so your body already knows this movement. Lean slightly forward, press through your heels, and stand up slowly. Now sit back down with control. We will do 25 repetitions together, counting clearly so you can follow and stay confident. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep breathing naturally. If your legs feel warm or slightly tired, that is normal and good. If you feel pain, pause immediately. How are you feeling right now? Strong, tired, or proud? Remember, every repetition makes your legs stronger and helps you walk safely. You are doing wonderfully today. Keep going, seniors, together always. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions. Sit tall on your chair, keep your back straight and hands resting on your thighs. Today is day 13, so we move with confidence. Lift your right leg slowly, straighten the knee, then lower it with control. We will count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now switch to your left leg and repeat slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Feel your thighs working, notice your knees, and check your balance. How does your body feel right now? Steady, warm, or challenged? Breathe calmly, move smoothly, and remember, strength builds one repetition at a time. Keep going. You are doing excellent work today. Seniors, stay focused and safe. Your effort today supports walking, standing, and daily independence for life. Comment below how you feel now. Exercise 3, standing side leg raises. Stand behind your chair and hold the backrest firmly for support. Today is day 13, so you already trust your balance more. Keep your body tall and lift your right leg slowly out to the side, then bring it back gently. We count every repetition together to stay focused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25. Move slowly and breathe calmly throughout. If you feel your hips or thighs working, that is excellent. If balance feels challenging, stay close to the chair. How difficult was this exercise for you today? Easy, moderate, or hard? Please comment below honestly, because your feedback helps other seniors feel encouraged and supported. Strength and balance grow with patience and consistency. You are doing great today. Keep standing tall and confident always. Exercise 4. Heel raises for calf strength. Stand behind your chair and hold the backrest gently with both hands. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your posture tall and relaxed. Today is day 13, so trust your progress. Slowly lift your heels and rise onto your toes, then lower down with control. We count together clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Breathe steadily and feel your calves working. Halfway through, tell me in the comments which country you are watching from today. This helps our senior family connect worldwide. If your calves feel warm or tired, that means strength is building. Stay close to the chair for safety. Keep going strong and confident. You are improving balance, circulation, and walking power daily. Exercise 5. Seated marching. Sit comfortably on your chair with your back straight and hands resting by your sides. Lift your right knee slowly, lower it down, then lift your left knee. We will count each march together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep breathing steady and lifting alternately. Feel your hips, thighs, and balance working together. How are you feeling today? Energized, tired, or proud? Please comment honestly below so I can support you better tomorrow and celebrate your progress. You completed day 13 strong, and your commitment inspires seniors everywhere. Sit tall, smile gently, and prepare for tomorrow together. Thank yourself for showing up today. This habit builds freedom and confidence. Every step counts for life. Keep moving. If you completed today's Day 13 exercises with me, write "Done Day 13" in the comments. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can stay strong and active with you. See you tomorrow for Day 14. Stay healthy and keep moving.